This is Luke Martin with problem 4 of the final. Here I'm using the code that was already given to us in the prompt, and I delete the line and I go ahead and start under the function init. I do super.init and then name, so it calls the parent class, and then I do valid statuses equals citizen, legal resident, and illegal resident, and then an if statement saying if status is not in the valid statuses, then it raises a value error, which is, and it prompts invalid status. And then I do self.status equals status, so I can have an easier return statement in the last function. And then I just return self.status here. Here I still had projects 1 through 3 running, so I had to get rid of them. And I go ahead and compile it. And it compiled successfully, so now I have to create the output statement. And I go ahead and create a new cell block for the output because there wasn't already a place for me, so I decided to just go and put it in a separate one as like a tester class. And I did A equals US resident, and then create Tim Beaver, and he's a citizen. And I print, and it prints out and gets the status. And the expected output, if that is what the input is, would be citizen. And then for case 2, I do try, and then B equals US resident Tim Horton, and he's a non-resident, and then accept after the try, otherwise there's an error, value error as E, and then print E. And here's where I realize I misspelled the init. I think I accidentally wrote two N's instead of one. I run it and I get the expected output.